Good morning, children. Hope you are doing well. In our previous class, we have completed Chapter 1 Fraction. Today, we are doing Chapter 2 Measurements. Children, what is a measurement? Measurement means to measure some objects by its shape, size, length, or capacity. Today, let us just learn about measurements of length. In olden days, lengths were measured using the limbs of a human body. A hand, a span, a cubit, a pace, etc. These units are not standard. They differ from person to person. So now we have standard units like tape used by tailors, meter scale, and ruler used by children. So the standard unit of measuring length is a meter. And units of measurements are millimeters, centimeter, meter and kilometer. We measure small lengths like length of a pencil, length of a book, photos, etc. in centimeters. 100 centimeters make 1 meter. We measure length of a room, pieces of cloth, etc. in meters. And we measure distances between places, lengths of roads in kilometers. 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. I hope you have understood. So let us do some more work. Here children, this is a ruler. You are seeing here how many centimeter? This is 30 numbers are marking here. Okay. So this is from 0 to 1. This is 1 centimeter. From 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter. And are you observing here the small markings are here? This is called millimeter. It is called millimeter. The short form of millimeter is mm. So here in 1 centimeter you have 10 millimeters. Right? So here this is a 30 centimeter scale. So from 0 to 1 is 1 centimeter, 1 to 2 is 2 centimeter. So like this it goes on. So this is a 30 centimeter scale. So for the short form of centimeter is cm. Okay. So to measure small objects, we use a ruler. Okay. So let us just measure the pencil here. So keep your pencil at 0. Now, are you seeing the length of a pencil is here 16 centimeter. So this is a 16 centimeter pencil. Let us measure the eraser here. So keep your object here at 0 point. Okay, from 0. Now this is 6 centimeter eraser. Understood? So like this you can measure small objects by using a ruler. Okay, now to measure a big distance, the length of a room, the height of a tree, okay, the height of a tower. So what do you use? You can use a tape, measuring tape. Okay, so how many centimeters make 1 meter? 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters make 1 meter. So let us see 100 centimeter here. Here is 100 centimeter. So this is 1 meter, right? This is 1 meter. It is 100 here. So how many centimeters make 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. The short form of meter is m. Okay, children? You must have gone to the cloth shop, okay? You must have gone with your parents, right? So you must have seen somebody is measuring the sheet of a cloth. How they are measuring? They are using the measuring tape or measuring scale. Okay, a metal scale you must have seen. So that is in meters. So that scale measures 100 centimeter. That is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Take out the page number 56. Let us do the reader work. Exercise 1. Now you have understood the small objects are measured in centimeters and big objects are measured in meters, right? So here which standard unit of length, meters or centimeters, is used to measure the following? So the length of a pencil. Which unit you will use? You will use centimeter. So write the short form here, cm, centimeter. The length of a park. The length of a park is big. So which unit you will use? Meter. So you will measure in meters. The length of a room. So it is also measured in meter. The height of a tower. So it's very big tower. The height of a tower is measured in meter. So write here m. The length of a candle. Candle is very small. So we will measure in centimeter. So write cm here. The length of an eraser. Eraser is also a small object. So small objects are measured in centimeter. Understood? Now here, see, we have to see the pencil. What's the length of this pencil? It is 4 centimeter. Okay, see the marking here. This is in centimeter. First one is done for you. Now look at the second pencil. What is the length of this pencil? It is 7 centimeter. So just write 7 centimeter here. Okay, let us see this pencil. It is 5 centimeter. So write here 5 centimeter. Now this is how many centimeter pencil? The length of this pencil is 10 centimeter. So just write 10 centimeter here. Now look at this pencil. It is 8 centimeter pencil. Okay. So let us do the last one. Can you tell me how many centimeter? 12 centimeter. The length of this pencil is 12 centimeter. So have you understood the centimeter and meters? Okay, we will do the other things in our next class. Thank you.